In the heart of a dense, verdant forest, where the sun's rays barely reached, lived a small but wise hoopoe named Hector. With his iridescent plumage and crest of feathers, he was a beacon of color in the dimly lit woodland. One day, Hector noticed a group of birds, each more boisterous and arrogant than the next, gathering near a fallen tree. They chattered about their grand plans of ruling the forest, their voices echoing through the trees. Hector, wise and humble, saw the danger in their ambitions. He knew the forest's balance was delicate, and such power struggles would only lead to chaos. Approaching the noisy crowd, he addressed them with a gentle voice. "My friends," Hector began, "I have listened to your plans, and I see the passion in your hearts. But I worry that your thirst for power may lead us down a path of destruction." The birds stared at Hector, surprised by his words. They had never seen him show such assertiveness before. But his words resonated with them, and they fell silent. "I propose a different solution," Hector continued. "Let us not seek to rule the forest, but to serve it. Let us use our voices to sing harmoniously, our feathers to bring beauty, and our hearts to protect our home." The birds pondered Hector's words, and slowly, one by one, they began to see the wisdom in his proposal. They realized that true power lay not in dominance, but in harmony and cooperation. From that day forward, the forest flourished under the care of its inhabitants. The boisterous birds were replaced with a chorus of harmonious voices, the trees grew taller and stronger, and the forest became a haven for all creatures. And Hector, the wise hoopoe, continued to watch over his home, a symbol of humility, wisdom, and the power of cooperation. His story serves as a reminder that true power lies not in dominance, but in harmony and the collective strength of a community.